Hello traders! Some of you wanted to know how to use the DR IDR indicator for MetaTrader, and I'm going to show it here in this video. This is my MetaTrader 5 application. Here you have the market icon in the toolbar, and you also find it in the tools menu. Here it is, MQL market, and when you press it you get a tab in the viewport, and now you can search for DR and IDR. Be sure that you're already logged in into the MQL market before. Here it is, it's free and has a 5-star rating. I selected it is version 1.3 at the moment, and then I press the button download. Okay, very simple. After the download you see it here in the navigator, indicators, market, DR and IDR MT5. Now you can just drag it onto the chart. And of course you could change the inputs, for example which DR to display. As you know, we have the ADR, ODR and RDR range, or you could adjust the colors. And that's basically it. Here you see we have the ODR in the London session, then we have the ADR in the Asian session, and this is the regular defining range of the New York session. A similar indicator is available for MetaTrader 4 as well. You find it on this page. I added the link to the description, and the installation process is basically the same. Okay, what I also wanted to show for MetaTrader is an indicator to calculate the lot size because you asked for it. You can search on the market page for Quick Trade, and you find this free indicator for MetaTrader 5. After downloading it, you have it here in the indicator section. Then I switch to a chart and drag the indicator into the viewport. Okay, now you can see these text fields in the lower right hand corner for price, stop loss, take profit, the lot size and risk in percent. Okay, now let's assume I want to enter the trade here. So press this key on the keyboard and left click. Now the risk is set to 1% of the account size. Of course you could change this, but I keep it now to 1%. And to set the stop loss I control left click to the position where I want to set it, like here. And then you see that the lots are calculated with a given risk, so that you don't risk more than 1% of the account size. For setting the take profit level, you hold the shift key down and left click, and then you can see your risk to reward ratio. A very helpful tool. Now you can drag the levels around and the new values are recalculated. Okay guys, this is what I wanted to show, and if you need a broker with low spreads and low commissions, I can recommend Hankotrade. The link to Hankotrade is added to the description below, and to register is very simple. You don't need KYC documents, it's all crypto based, just go to their website and give it a try. So guys, that's it. I really hope you liked the channel. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you'd like to trade with me, go to the Discord where I share my trade setups and trade ideas. The link can also be found in the description below. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one here on the Trading Guide.